Hey guys, it's Charity, and today I want to talk to you about what I eat in a day for fat loss. So basically, I've been on a small cutting phase the past month or so. I've been slowly decreasing my calories while also incorporating cardio into my routine, and as a result, I've been seeing some small changes that I just kind of want to share with you guys. I do want to preface this video by saying that obviously everyone has different caloric needs and goals. Currently, I'm aiming for 1600 calories a day, which is about 300 calories less than my maintenance, so this could either be maybe too low for you or maybe too high for you. So this video is more for inspiration and to kind of see what it looks like to be on a lower caloric diet. And to be completely honest with you guys, I have struggled with weight loss ever since I could remember. Back in middle school, I think freshman in high school, I went in for a physical and my doctor actually told me that I was overweight, and that did not really sit well with me. I think the reason why I didn't want to start with fitness and I kind of left it on the back burner was because I didn't think it was really possible for myself and for me to change the way I looked. But I only really started seeing major changes when I really honed in on my diet. So yeah, anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and let's get started. Alright guys, so we're in the kitchen and I'm now going to show you all what I've been having for breakfast every day, which is literally my favorite meal, probably because I could have coffee and I don't know, I just look forward to waking up and eating breakfast. So this meal in particular I've been staying with for I think a week now, and it is none other than the Kodiak protein cake. These are protein packed 100% whole grain pancake and waffle mix. I'm going to try to show you guys the calories and macros in every meal that I'm eating today. But basically for the serving size of half cup, it's 200 calories, which is not bad at all. I do about 3/4 of a cup, so the calories are probably like 300 for my meal. So yeah, it's 14 grams of protein, there's 9 grams of sugars, 30 grams of carbohydrates. So carbs is not something that I'm really depleting out of my diet. I still have a handful of carbs every day. So let me show you guys how I make my pancakes. My camera on, it becomes so much harder to make pancakes, but these are my 2 pancakes, guys. They're not that pretty. So basically this is going to be about 300 calories, and then what I like to do is I like to add a scoop of peanut butter, which comes out to about around 100 calories, and I also like to add some syrup. Now the reason why this is not sugar-free or fat-free is because I've tried that one, my brother has that one, and it just tastes like nothing. So I'd rather have the original version, and I just go really light on the syrup just because I know the calorie intake is a lot higher. For instance, this one is 100 calories for basically 2 tablespoons, so I try to stick to about 1 tablespoon for my pancakes. Alright guys, and I know this doesn't look super appealing, but I already made some teriyaki tofu the other day, and the sauce that I use is just this one I picked up at the Asian market, a premium teriyaki sauce. And then I bought the tofu. This is the firm one. You basically just stir fry the tofu in the sauce, and it's super simple to make. So I just warmed up a cup of white rice with my tofu, so I'm just gonna add like a handful of spring mix to the bowl, and then on top of the salad I like to add some kimchi. Alright, and then lastly I'll add in some seaweed just because I love seaweed and I eat it almost with every meal. And yeah, so this might look like a hot mess, but basically we just have the teriyaki tofu, the white rice, kimchi, salad, and the seaweed, and that's basically my lunch. That's basically what I've been eating for the past couple of days. Sometimes I'll substitute the tofu for chicken, but yeah, that's meal number 2. And I would say this is probably like maybe 550 to 600 calories. So I just came back from the gym, and a few things. Number 1, I am definitely a little bit weaker. Even though we have a gym in our backyard, our barbell is only 15 pounds compared to the standard 45-pound barbell. So yeah, even though I've been lifting, it's not really the normal weight that I normally do at the gym. So there's that. Working out with a face mask, I think especially with a cloth face mask, is a little bit challenging. I found myself really struggling to breathe at sometimes. But my brother was working out with a disposable face mask, and he said he didn't really have a hard time breathing at all. So I think it really depends on what mask you are wearing. Obviously the thicker ones will be harder to breathe with. And lastly, I realized I do miss the gym. Just the whole environment of people working out is really encouraging. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm having for dinner, which is not really dinner, but normally for dinner I would just have like a protein shake. So it rounds out about to like 400 calories. So 400 calories for my protein shake, and usually I might have like a snack on the side. So I've been really liking the Chobani Flip. They're like Greek yogurt snacks. Those round up to about 200 calories. So in all, the dinner actually comes out to like 600 calories. So all in all, my calories for the day rounds about to 1700 calories. But most days when I'm working, I do about 8,000 steps, and that's about 200 to 300 calories maybe. And so that's why even if I eat 1700 calories a day, obviously you have to take in account of the calories that you burn that day. So yeah, that's basically what I've been eating in a day and how I've been trying to decrease my calorie intake. And there are a lot of times where you feel a little bit more hungry, but you kind of get used to the hunger pains. You know, it's just your body not being used to not being full all the time. And honestly, I don't really miss the feeling of like just stuffing myself, you know, when it comes to meals. I do enjoy the fact that I don't have a food coma every time I eat. But anyways, hope that this video helped you out somehow, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.